Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set Google as a startup page on Microsoft Edge in Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Edge browser on your Windows PC and then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. Under Edge settings, select this one option, Start, Home and New tabs. On the right side, select this one option, open these pages, and then click on this one, add a new page button. Enter a URL box, type google.com and then click on this one add button. Now close all the tabs and reopen Edge browser. It should automatically load. Each time when you will open the Edge browser, it will automatically load google.com on your Windows PC.